So this is the first episode, so the first official episode of premium users. So this episode will be covering the use of Notepad++ and the use of color hex tables to complete our first project task. So the first thing that we need to know is like batch file programming is just using the Notepad++. So the original Notepad, I will open up the original Notepad here. If you type anything inside here, so for example like echo off and CLS and color 0A, so this produce like a green text and a background of black. Yeah, so you will see later on we'll have a look at color tables. So it will not have markup style, so you will not know how to write, and the writing will be messed up at the end because of the complicateness of the file. I will show you quite a couple moments in this kind of view. Okay, we will be looking at this random caption module. So we will compare. I'll compare it for you. Here. Yeah. So as you can see, like it is more easier to look at those like notepad so you can know which one is the variable. This is variable. This is the command. This is the section. And this is the variable. This is the equal plus one, and this is a comment. This is a comment. This is a command, and this is not included in the file. So basically a lot of things, and this is just like a runtime variable. Compared with this, it's just pretty much like indistinguishable between variables and commands and normal line functions. So line functions like these is not distinguishable from these, which is not included in the program. You must like look at it through editing the file themselves. Just right click and edit like this. Yeah, we're using Structural much more. So download Notepad++ first. I guess you know where to download it. Yeah, just download the first release. Yeah, just download it. So get that ready, and the first thing that we'll be looking at is color tables. So patch color table. I can't remember them as well. So you must look at them online. Yeah, this is basically it. As you can see, the first letter corresponds to background. So the background is black. 0A just means black and light green. I will demonstrate it to you. So yeah, I will demonstrate it to you using command prompt and using the text editor. Yeah, using the text inline editor. So when you program something, you are going to use Notepad. This Notepad, right? This new file. This is the bash file programming interface using Notepad. But this is a runtime. And debugging console. Yeah. So when you type anything in this and you separate it by lines or by an and, it's just like this sign, like this. You're just telling them to run this type of commands in R. So basically this uh, is equivalent to doing this. Okay, so the program, when you save this and save it at .bat extensions and run it, this is what the command prompt do. They will run this line by line. So starting off from echo off, yeah, just copied it and right click to paste it here. You can right click on anywhere, but it will just like place here. Wait, yeah, okay, just right click its next feature and here, sorry about that, and right click, copy, doing this, yeah, it will just run this line by line, but it runs simultaneously, so it runs like really fast in this order. Color 0A, yeah, it just change to like green text and background black, and next thing would be like hello world. It's hello world, as you see, and color B5, which is change the color, the whole thing to B5, and equal, we just create a new line, and equal hello world again, we just equal hello world, and equal again, we just create a new line as well, like a bank new line, and paste would create a paste. Will it copy it for me or something? Yeah, okay. So if you do paste and no, it will just return a blank line, but it will consider it a paste. You're doing a paste, but it doesn't show this. So basically, you could like do like this. You could do like echo, like and you could pipe a command to run simultaneously using paste slash no, like this. You could do like a CLS first to clear the screen. This is through cutter anyway. The brave presses any key. So basically it doesn't need to be like press any key to continue part like that. Just like use paste slash new, and like this command just like run them in line. So basically you could do like this. You could just like move this and just return an indent line like this, and indent line like this. Yeah, just like complete doing this. So I'm gonna run this and let's see what happens. We're gonna run equal on just like in the previous video. So I press any key first and the page just stopped running as from the taskbar up there, and you're gonna do this. Yeah, it will just return to normal. This is normal DOS, like about something. Yeah. So as you can see, the color 0A is the most used color inside CMD, and most movies and most matrix programs just use it. It's just pretty much like highlightable and pretty much mainstream. A B5 color is more vibrant. I don't recommend using it. Uh, there's a lot of combinations available here. Yeah, so you could do potentially color. You could do aqua. So for sake, if you do the same thing, it won't be available. Okay, you can't do the same thing. If you don't use anything, we just like return to like the normal thing. Okay. So if you want a text of light red and an aqua, like something, it's pretty like pretty much unreadable. So yeah, just I don't recommend anything above from like 0.8. You can like experience a lot of things. So background, it should be black. Usually most of the time black is okay. Or if you want like bright white, if bright and blue, F1, I guess. This is probably okay too as well. Sometimes people are like this. Or even like white and white and yellow. It's also okay. Sometimes you go like this and reset to color standards. Yeah, and you could do a piping command, color 0A, and paste, and color F1. So it would just paste it for a moment and just change into like another color. And you want to clear the screen and return to the normal color, you just get this. The same also applies for this. It's the same rule, everything. But I will teach you how to compile this. So yeah. I am gonna see a test drive first. So this is a variable called, this is a section. We're gonna create a programming section. So programming section is a part of the code that we must specify so that we can refer to in the future. So basically for looping function, go to, or even nesting functions, which you don't need to care about right now. It's just like it is just a section in program, like a function in C. If you have ever programmed in C, this is like a function. So a defined function. So we are going to create a test function, I guess. Test. Define a test function. You could like do it in space or something, but I don't mind doing that. You gotta reset the title if you want. The test program. Yeah, guess. Your COS again, I don't care. Maybe do it CS again. So we're gonna do this. Hello. So this is the flexibility of Bash. Basically, we gotta tie color. There's a lot of color to try. I'm gonna let. If you have any privacy, just don't watch the video anymore. This is probably the end of the video for people who have privacy. But basically, we gotta try every color combinations. If you wish, I don't know. So this is how. So you're gonna use like %A, %B as a store variable. Uh, Go to test. Where is it? Test. Okay. Okay, this is color %A, %B. I'm gonna set A is equal to 0. Set B is equal to 1. So it's not gonna loop the whole thing because there's no like A, B, C, D, E, F, or it just loops like the numbers. But I will be teaching you how to loop A, B, C, D, E, F later. For now we're gonna use this color AB01, and we gotta set A plus, so the value will increase by 1 every time, and do this at the same time as set. By the way, you need to slash A2, so it's an arithmetic function, so we need to define a parameter of mathematical function. Yeah, it's just like how to write a bash program. B plus equals 1, I guess. It's a loop function. So we gotta define if set if percent %a greater or equal. Now if percent %b is equal, because the percent %b we reach 9 first. Go to now we're not gonna COS this. We gotta COS right here. Go to paste, I guess. Yeah, paste. And we are gonna save this on our desktop and name is a bash file. So look at this. This is bash file. It's here. And you just need this as like color.path or something like that. Yeah, we just like highlight this automatically. Go to desktop, just run it. As you can see, but it is kind of fast. So if you want to time out it a little bit, this is how you should do it. So paste timeout /t. I think about 1 second should be enough. Yes. I'm gonna do 1 second. Wait. We gotta do 1 second and no 2. This is how you do a function without like displaying the function themselves. Oh, sorry. I am retarded. Yeah, like this. See? It's just like looped over the whole function themselves. This is pretty advanced for you. Sometimes like people just don't do this. And this is not the whole set as well. So if you want to do the whole set, so this is 8, 9. You just loop again, basically. So I'm gonna teach you some more a little bit extra. So if you want to loop the whole thing, you just like need to fix this first. So you fix this, loop the whole combination. So the b must increase to 9 is equal to 9. Go to set a equals to 1. Set a equals to percent %a plus 1. Sorry, I'm just So he's just playing Terraria now. That's my friend, by the way. Uh, and then set 80% and set b equal to 1 again. So just do this for the whole thing. It should loop the whole stuff out. If a is equal to 9, if a is equal to 9, go to check. So this is check function, and if percent b percent is equal to 9, go to paste. Yeah, paste. Is b is also equal to 9, paste. Else just do this. Else we are gonna check if I set one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9. Okay, it's 9 now. 9 and 1. I guess I'm gonna say that we gotta do checking first. If set check equals to a plus b as a check function. If check equals if check equals 18, greater or equal to 18, paste. Yes. Okay, it should be able to do that. Now that's weird, I guess. Yeah, that should be it. I don't know why doesn't it loop. I guess I'm gonna remove this thing. I don't know. I will try to fix your problem. So that's it for today. I guess to see and how I create my program, and this is a pretty advanced program. This is what you do as a batch programming career, and that should be the basics, and the looping and stuff like that should get you well enough on your way to do your own like color testing as the project requires. Thank you, and see you next time.